Ladies and gentlemen, please stand by for Shy Hill Farm News, chicken news, and all the chicken Shy Hill Farm news you're going to ever want for this week. Hooray, chicken news! This broadcast is sponsored by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Last month we turned 2 years old. Thanks for making it happen. For 2 months we suffered from Snowmageddon and Snowmageddon 2. Snowmageddon again. We were devastated. But recent, more updated images show that we are past that now. Thank you, God. In recent weeks, it was revealed what Raven's voice actually sounds like.
As in Spanish. I don't speak Spanish.
We look forward to the discovery of what the other girls sound like. What do you think?
Hi! Hi!
In Greater Shy Hill Farm news, I was being very obnoxious with these geese.
Hi! Hi! Don't hit the pole. Hi!
In addition to that, there were about a dozen or so black vultures down the street from me in these trees.
Shalom, everybody.
We will not disclose what it was that they were doing there.
There's one looking at me. Is that the outpost guy? Yeah, he's checking me out. He's like, what are you doing? I take photos and leave footprints, okay? Hello.
A few years ago, I discovered that I really, really like vultures.
I think I'm good.
And now a very special announcement from our very special girl, Star.
Hi, my friends! My name is Star! And I wanted to tell you about Shy Sticker Shop! And you can buy this sticker from the sticker shop! It's a great way to support the channel and Shy's Memorial Fund! But also, if you already donated to Shy's Memorial Fund, we can give you the free sticker! I don't really know how to do that because I need your address. You can find me and DM me on Instagram. On Instagram. Shy Hill Farm Chickens on Instagram. And give me your address. I'll send you a sticker. If you donated to Shy's Memorial Fund, but you're just gonna have to be honest about that. Anyway, we just thought it was a good idea and that maybe you should just donate to this fund and just buy a sticker anyway. All right, okay?